Dana, you and I were just talking some really nice weather lately. Some rains on the way though, but nothing that we need to be too concerned about.
Yeah, I would say Friday not looking too hot in terms of temperature and precipitation, but we've had a streak of a nice couple of days. So, I think we're due for some rain. But overall, not going to be too bad. And then really it's going to clear up rather fast as we get into the weekend as well. So take a look at what we're looking at over the next couple of days. Our warm front's going to move through on Thursday. Not a ton of moisture associated with it, but a couple pop-up showers. I'll talk about that in just a minute. Cold front moving through on Friday, but will be free and clear for the weekend. So in terms of our radar, nothing to see here. It was just like it was earlier, a dry day across the state today. And a little bit cool as well. We've dropped down into the middle 50s in a lot of places, a touch warmer just along the coastline, but otherwise it's still a relatively cool night. Temperatures below average for this time of year. And a lot of that has to do with our dew points in the middle 50s along the coast and the brown colors there in the middle 40s up in the mountains. So this is a dry air mass that's been treating us well over the past couple of days, but we are going to switch to some more moisture as we go into the next couple of days. For tonight, temperatures in a lot of places drop down to the middle 40s to low 50s, so a touch warmer than we've seen over the past couple of days, but still not warm by any means, still about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Tomorrow, looking about mid 70s. It'll depend really on how much sunshine. The more sunshine we get, the warmer it's going to be throughout the day, but still a little cooler than average for this time of year. Now, as we start the day on a Thursday, that's where we're going to see that pattern shift slowly begin to start moving through. A couple of showers pop up here. This has to do with the warm front that's going to be moving through. Any showers that pop up will be light and relatively scattered as well. Most people are going to remain dry on Thursday. It's when we get into Thursday night, clouds really start to build in, and then showers will move in associated with the cold front on Friday, starting to get into western Maine early in the morning, and then hits eastern Maine and just off the coastline around midday. We get a little break around lunchtime, most likely, and then we'll have some heavier showers move in the evening. And then most people, except for the Eastport area, will be dry just before midnight. And then as we move into Saturday, plenty of sunshine, things really clear out. That front is pretty fast moving, so we'll have the benefit of that. Seas 2 to 3 feet and water at 62. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, things are starting to get a little messy as we head into Friday. That's where we have a chance of those showers associated with the cold front. It'll be a little bit sticky as well and a bit cool. Then as we head into the weekend, anyone running the Beach to Beacon race will be in luck because most likely looking to be dry by the time we get into Saturday, with the exception of far eastern Maine. Could see a couple of showers early Saturday morning. And then the rest of the weekend looks pretty clear as well. Dew points drop yet again. We start to get into the stickies as we get into the beginning of next week with temperatures just a little bit below average for this time of year. So Alex, things are looking good for the Beach to Beacon. A little bit of rain on Friday, but it can't rain on all our parades.
Exactly. All right. Thanks, Dana.
Of course.